Hello. So I've already created an account. This is the account. This is everything. So the reason why all this money are here is because when I was testing it, I was just testing and going through it. Let me see if something is not working or if everything is working. So I was just going through it. So that's also that's everything you should see here. This is just the client dashboard and this is the admin dashboard. So this is just the intro part of this is just the intro part. So this is the client dashboard, the admin dashboard and everything. So I shall begin to show you everything. I will show you how you can credit, debit, send and every other thing you need to know. And if there is any question you want to ask, do not hesitate to send me a message. So on the next video I'll be showing you how to fund your account. Hello, I just recorded a video and I found out that the video was too long. So on this video I will show you how to update your BTC wallet. If you want to update your BTC wallet, just scroll down to the bottom of this page and then click update website wallet. It's only BTC wallet that is allowed to place here. Like only BTC wallet you are allowed to insert in this very what is it called, this very place here. Only BTC wallet. So click, I'm just going to select a random BTC wallet. Of course some of them is a valid BTC wallet, I don't know, but you will change it after this very video. So this is my BTC wallet and then I click update. Once the BTC wallet got updated, the next thing is that what you should take note of is that the BTC wallet will update across all registered clients, whether new or old. So you don't have to like you'll not be wondering if one BTC wallet I have changed or this one why is it. No, it will just change automatically across all the registrars. Like everyone you have registered with your website, it will just register across all of them. So as you can see, it was this one, so you see it here as well. So I updated it and it update across all of them, so you don't need to go through any stress of trying to update one individual account by going to update one BTC wallet and going to the other one. So on the next video I will show you how you can fund your account, and if there is more. So how do you fund your account? If you want to fund your account, like like when a client deposits in your BTC wallet and you want to fund the account, what you should do is that just also the same way scroll down to the bottom of the website and then you will see funds account. The website is pretty easy, so you don't need to do everything. Like it's very easy. So you click on your what is it called, sorry about that. So you click on your funds account, then click on the amount you want to fund it with. Then I will say I want to fund it with this one, 5 billion naira or 500,000 naira, I don't know. So USD is the default, and then here as you can see, select account. If you have more than 10 individual accounts, you can just click here and you want to just like maybe select the account you want to fund. So you just click here and look for the account you want to fund and then click on it. So let's assume that I'm going to fund James Peter's account. So I'll just click there and then click fund. So it's funding. When that is done, it will show success. So let's go to the website and confirm if that went through. So let's refresh our page. So let's see, my network is pretty bad. So as you can see total deposit of $500,000. And so on this other video I will show you how you can add bonus to your account. So how do you add? So let's check if that. So you see account has been deposited, so I wanted to show you that actually. So let's go back. How to add bonus to your account. If you want to add bonus to your client account, all you have to do, see the same way as a funding account, just click on add bonus and then click on the amount, let's say $1,000, and select the account you want to add the bonus to. So we are going to be adding it to James Peterson and click add. And once that shows successful, all you have to do, we'll go back to our website and check if it was added. So that's it. So let's go to our website and find out if that was updated. So okay, so as you can see, bonus account, we now have $1,080. So $1,080, and if we should go to our email and then click refresh, we should see maybe sort of a message here. My network is slow, okay. So on the next video, I will show you how you can add profits to your account. So on this video, I will show you how to add profits to your account. Let's see that message. Okay, as you can see, trading bonus added to your account. So that is the email right there. So let's go back to our admin. So if you want to add profit, it's very easy. Just click that and then click the amount of profit you want to add to the client account, and then select account and then add profit. So once that is done, we'll also go to our website and check. So successful. So let's go to our website and check. We should also receive a mail. So let's confirm this first. Should also receive a mail for profits added to client account as well. So let's confirm this one first. Go on network body. Okay, this is it. So when you check your profit, we added profit of 1,080 naira. So that's the profit right there. So if we should go to our email box and then click refresh, we should also receive a notification. As you can see, how do you make a trade? So this trade is particularly on both profit and loss. So if you want to add a loss to your client account, like you want to make a report of it that there was loss in trade, like it should show something like red in one of these, like there should be minus in the account. What you should do is that you just come to your admin, click make a trade, you will see select an account. So we are going to be using James Peter, and then make a trade of, you can select whatever trade you want to do. So let's assume we are doing, so we are going to be using a USD. Okay, Euro USD is fine. Euro USD is okay. So we are going to be using loss. Let's use loss so that you can see what I'm trying to show you. So we are going to be placing a price of $100 and then going for the price of let's say $300. So click complete. So once that is done, we should also go back to our website and then click refresh and see. Okay, my network bad. So my network, we should see a complete message any moment from now. I forgot, right? There it is. So let's click refresh. So I will just show. Okay, basically I just show you on the last video on how you can make a trade on loss, so that is we show minus or slash from price from client account, and how that might help you in a way. So what you should do, so let's go back to our client dashboard now. So you remember we were having $780, and then we'll make a trade that it will go on loss. So we make a trade of $300. So if $300 should be minus out of the $1,080 from here, it will give us a total value of $780. So that is how you can make a trade. So on this very next video, okay, pay attention, and pay attention really very and really close. Okay, on this video I'm going to be showing you how to update balance manually. That is, how do you update balance manually? That is to say that you can update this balance and take the money, like the total value, to $10 or 10 euro, no, $10, because the default sign is a dollar. So you can like remove money, you can drop the money from $500,000 to $10, and that will also affect here. How will it affect here? That means the total value of all these will not be the same again. It will not be calculating based on the price anymore. So it will be calculated based on how you are going to set it. So on the next video I will show you how you can set balance. So remember I said I will be showing you how you can manually set your balance, and it will affect your client dashboard. And maybe you did not heard me right, maybe, or because that video was cut short because I was using WhatsApp, what is it called, WhatsApp video record to do this. So I said you should be very calculative, like you have to know what you are doing while trying to do this manual balance. Like it will systematically affect your calculations. The only calculations will only be active when you are adding funds to your account, when you are adding funds to your account, adding profits, making trade, and doing some other stuff that the system can just sync and then give you the total balance or the total value of it. But when you are doing this we have to be based on your calculations, and you have to be very active. You have to be very careful about how you calculate things and how you want to bring it into possibilities, like how you want to make it a reality. So I just wanted to do that quick short video before we begin on this video on how you can set your balance manually. I'll be showing you how you can set balance manually. So just like the others, select an account. So you are going to be using James on this one. Okay, so let's select James Peter, and then deposit amount. So this one is actually telling you deposit balance. This USD balance is your total balance, your profit balance, your pending balance, and your bonus balance. So you can manually set them. So let's start with a total deposit balance. So click on deposit balance, and let's say we are making it 0. So click update. So that is done. Let's refresh and see what happened. Christ Jesus. Guy, you sure now? So as you can see, deposit balance is 0.00 because we manually set it, and you can see all the figures So on that video, on that video I just show you how you can manage. So I just use one as an example, so you can go through the rest on your own, so that you will have much better understanding on how you can do your things, on how you can calculate your things. So let's move on to the next level. This level is pretty cheap, so you don't need to know more. We have the make a deposit session. This make a deposit session, you just have to type in how much you want to deposit, and then click OK, and it will tell you to copy. So you have already copied it to your keyboard, and then that is how you can make your deposit. And this is your Bitcoin wallet we updated from your admin, so it's showing here. And the withdrawal history is just it just show your history, like your past history, current history, and all of that. So that one is for that one. And then the next one is how you can withdraw. So I created a two possible option that clients might want to use for withdrawal interest, which is the Bitcoin and also with the bank. So my network is slow. Very, very slow. So we have withdrawal method, we have your selected method, and we have Bitcoin and bank transfer. So that is